Welcome parents and students to ApplyAid AI. College isn't just expensive, it's getting more expensive every year. Paying for college shouldn't feel like a burden, but for too many families it does. Hundreds of thousands of dollars are on the table, but finding the right scholarships and actually winning them can feel like a full-time job. That's why we created ApplyAid AI, a smarter way to help your child find real scholarships and actually win them. ApplyAid AI doesn't just match your child with scholarships they have the highest probability of winning. It also guides them through the actual process of applying and winning. And it all started with one woman, the scholarship lady. For over 15 years, the scholarship lady has helped students secure millions of dollars in scholarships. Her books, trainings, and one-on-one sessions have transformed lives and bank accounts. But there's only one of her and thousands of students who need help. ApplyAid AI was built to change that. It combines her proven scholarship strategies with the power of artificial intelligence. So now every student can have a personal scholarship assistant in their pocket. The scholarship lady's expertise, plus the scale and speed of AI equals ApplyAid AI. So what does that mean for you as a parent? It means no more late nights trying to figure out where to start. No more "we'll do it later" while the deadlines pass by. ApplyAid AI takes the stress out of the scholarship search and puts strategy back in your hands. It helps your student get matched to the right scholarships, ones they have the highest probability of winning. Stronger guidance on applications, essays, and timelines based on 15 years of proven techniques, tips, tricks, and experience. Help students stay focused by providing 3 high-probability scholarships at a time, so they are not overwhelmed. Position students as winners with all the necessary tools and resources needed to win. Again, that's personalized scholarship matching, essay guidance and feedback, application strategies that work, and real-time advice from a virtual scholarship expert. This isn't about giving your child a chance. It's about giving them every advantage. For less than the cost of a single textbook, ApplyAid AI helps families save thousands, even hundreds of thousands, in tuition loans that can take a lifetime to repay. This is not just another scholarship search engine. It's a virtual scholarship coach, one that works 24/7, costs less than 2 traditional training sessions, and gets smarter every time you use it. Every year, over $3 billion in scholarships go unclaimed. That's money your child could be winning if they only had the right guidance. Now they do. What would winning even one $5,000 scholarship mean for your family? What about 3 or 10? Now multiply that, because ApplyAid AI helps students build real momentum. That's not luck, that's strategy applied. Don't wait another day hoping the right scholarships magically appear. Don't miss out on the billions that go unclaimed every year. And don't let you or your child get buried in debt when a smarter, faster, proven solution is here. Over 150,000 scholarships in the ApplyAid AI database, and growing every day. We are backed by 15 years of real success. ApplyAid AI was designed specifically to help your child win. ApplyAid AI is your competitive edge, your shortcut to funding college without the guesswork, your peace of mind, and a tool to help you secure your child's future. Subscribe today for less than the price one textbook. Because the earlier you start, the more your child wins. ApplyAid AI. Let's win scholarships. Today.